Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we explore the hottest tech and gadgets to supercharge your 2025. Today I'm counting down my top 20 Amazon tech gadgets for the year, perfect for everyday carry EDC, packed with features, and ready to make your life easier, cooler, and more efficient. From flashlights that dominate the dark to multi-tools that solve any problem, these picks are for adventurers, tech enthusiasts, and anyone ready to upgrade their gear. I'll dive into each product's standout features, why it's awesome, and who it's perfect for. All are available on Amazon, links in the description. Let's get started with number 1. Kicking things off at number 1 is the Olight Arcfeld Pro, a true EDC game changer. This sleek, flat flashlight is a 3-in-1 powerhouse. 1,300 lumens of white light for brilliant illumination, a 900 mW UV light at 365 nm for professional grade detection, think checking IDs or leaks, and a green beam less than 5 mW class 3R for pointing or signaling. Switching between modes is a breeze with the intuitive circular selector, perfect for quick adjustments in any situation. The 5-level battery indicator keeps you in the know, and the MCC magnetic charging cable snaps on effortlessly for fast recharges. With a unibody design that slips comfortably into your pocket and an impressive runtime despite its triple light setup, it's built for all-day carry. It ships in lockout mode, just hold the center button for a second to unlock. Whether you're camping, working, or exploring, this versatile light is the ultimate EDC companion. At number 2, we've got the KeySmart Pro, the smartest way to keep your keys in check. This compact organizer not only tames your keyring chaos, but also packs tile tracker tech. Use the free Tile app to locate misplaced keys or make them play a tune. Lost your phone? Press a button on the KeySmart Pro to make it ring, even on silent mode. It's customizable with add-ons like MagConnect, a multi-tool, or a bottle opener, making it perfect for men and women alike. Say goodbye to bulky keychains. This is a sleek, tech-savvy EDC must-have for anyone who's ever lost their keys. We've all been there. Lighting up spot 3 is the Streamlight MicroStream, an ultra-compact flashlight that's big on performance. It delivers 250 lumens on high 68 meters beam, 1.5 hours, or 50 lumens on low 31 meters, 3.5 hours, powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The multi-function tail switch has a charge indicator, red for charging, green for full, and the aluminum housing with military-spec anodizing is IPX4 water-resistant and 1-meter impact tested. It comes with a removable pocket clip, 5-inch USB cable, and lanyard. The unbreakable polycarbonate lens and consistent LED brightness make this a durable pick for EDC, hiking, or emergencies. Note: wall and vehicle adapters are sold separately. Slicing into number 4 is the Benchmade Bugout 535, a premium EDC knife built for modern adventurers. Its axis lock and drop-point blade deliver precision cutting, while the Crater Blue Grivery handle keeps it lightweight and ergonomic. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, it's slim enough for everyday carry. Benchmade's lifetime sharpening service ensures it stays razor sharp, and their yours for life promise means it's built to last. Inspired by adventure, this knife is perfect for camping, hiking, or daily tasks that demand quality. At number 5, the Phoenix E18 RV2. Zero is a compact beast pumping out 1,200 lumens with a 159-yard reach. USB-C charging makes recharges fast, and its 2.64-inch, 2-ounce body is tough enough for drops, ideal for hiking, camping, or emergencies. With 5 brightness levels, it lasts up to 200 hours on moonlight mode. Users rave about its brightness and compact size, though some note the power button can accidentally turn on in pockets and battery life varies. It comes with a cable, lanyard, and organizer, perfect for those who need reliable light on the go. Number 6 is the Rovivon Aurora A8, a keychain flashlight that's small but loaded with flair. Size like an AA battery, 2.38 x 0.61, it's USB-C rechargeable with front LED modes moonlight / low / med / high and side lights in amber solid / flash / beacon or red / blue flashes for signaling. The new lock mode 5 clicks for charge to unlock prevents pocket mishaps. With a key ring, magnet clip, and tail base, it's a fun, versatile EDC for emergencies or everyday use. The keyport Mocha slides into number 7, a TSA-friendly 10-in-1 multi-tool made from high-grade stainless steel. It packs a bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, pry bar, cutter, box opener, scoring tool, hex bit driver, wrenches 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, and a 2-inch ruler. At 2.7 x 0.6 x 0.1 and 0.5 ounces, it fits any keychain or organizer like Orbikey. Backed by a 1-year warranty and 30-day guarantee, it's a travel-ready EDC for men and women who love practical gear. Number 8 brings the Chivivi Mini Praxis, a sleek EDC knife with a black stone-washed D2 steel blade for edge retention and corrosion resistance. The G10 handle is comfy and durable, even in wet conditions. Ceramic ball bearing pivot ensures snappy one-handed flipper deployment, and a strong detent promises lifelong reliability. With a pocket clip, it's legal for carry everywhere and ideal for urban, work, or outdoor tasks. Lifetime service against defects makes this a sharp choice. At 9, the Gerber Armbar Drive is an 8-in-1 multi-tool with a 2.5-inch plain edge blade frame lock, hammer, scissors, all 1/4-inch bit driver, bottle opener, and pry bar. Built from stainless steel with a textured anodized aluminum handle, it's slim for EDC, camping, or hunting. Lightweight and backed by a limited lifetime warranty, it's a versatile pick for DIYers, tradesmen, or outdoor enthusiasts. The Night Eyes Doohickey at number 10 is a no-nonsense multi-tool gadget. Made from durable stainless steel, it includes a bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, box cutter, wrenches 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, ruler inches/cm, and carabiner clip for keys or bags. Pocket-sized and tough, it's perfect for travelers or anyone needing quick fixes on the go. Simple, reliable, and ready for action. Number 11 is the Nextool Flagship Pro, a 16-in-1 toolkit that's a cut above. With needle nose/regular pliers, YG8 wire cutters, full-size scissors, a market first for cutting tough materials, knife, saw, screwdrivers, bottle/can openers, scale, line cutter, wire stripper, and glass breaker, it's a beast. Hardened 30CR13 stainless steel is rust-proof, and safety locks keep tools secure. Compact with a pocket clip and nylon sheath, it's great for camping, survival, or DIY. A stellar gift for the handy folks. Blazing in at 12 is the Olight Baton 3 Pro Max, boasting 2,500 lumens or a 60-day runtime on low. Shake to awake battery indicator lights up without powering on, and an upgraded proximity sensor ensures safety. The enlarged side switch is easy to use in the dark, and magnetic charging with an L-shaped stand simplifies storage. Rechargeable and rugged, it's ideal for emergencies, outdoor adventures, or tactical EDC. At 13, the Magpul Dhaka Everyday Wallet is a minimalist dream. Made from reinforced polymer, it holds 3 to 7 cards with a windowed ID pocket and bill/note divider. Chemical resistant, non-hydroscopic, and welded for durability, it's 10% larger than the Essential model but still slim. Perfect for EDC or travel, it keeps Essentials secure without bulk, great for those who hate overstuffed pockets. Tactical excellence at 14, the CRKT Otanashi no Ken, designed by James Williams for close quarters combat. Its clip-point blade offers deep penetration, secured by a robust frame lock. The G10 handle ensures grip in any condition. Slim for concealment and backed by a limited lifetime warranty, it's a top pick for EDC or tactical pros needing a reliable blade. Number 15 is the McCarmy X4S, a micro-size keychain light with 130 lumens and a 59 meters beam. Aluminum body, XPG2 LED, and rechargeable 10,180 battery included charge via USB in 1 hour. Twist switch for low/high modes, IPX8 waterproof, and 1.5 meters impact resistant. At 1.83 inches and 0.35 ounces without battery, it's perfect for EDC or emergencies. Available in 4 colors. Power up at 16 with the Nitecore NB 10000 Gen 2. This 10,000 mAh bank charges phones 3 times over, with dual USB-A/C ports for fast charging 2 devices. 40% lighter than typical banks, it's IPX5 water resistant with short circuit/overcharge protection. Low current mode supports delicate devices like headphones. Includes USB-A/C and Lumentech A/micro USB cables, ideal for travel or outdoor adventures. At 17, the Smith & Wesson Benji is a compact EDC knife with a 1.75-inch Tonto blade in 8CR13 mauve stainless steel. Ultra Glide Tech and finger flipper enable smooth one-handed use, with a frame lock for safety. G10 handle, dual money/pocket clip, and bottle opener make it versatile. At 2.72 ounces with a lifetime warranty, it's great for quick cuts or everyday carry. Number 18 is the Dango Slim Wallet, blending style and function. Water-resistant DTX and aluminum construction with RFID blocking holds 12 cards 10 without the MT02 multitool. The 10-function multi-tool includes saw, knife, hex wrenches, and more. At 3.5 ounces and slim 4.8 x 2.6 x 0.4, it's hand-polished in the USA with a lifetime warranty, perfect for tactical minimalists. Shining at 19, the Olight i3 EOS delivers 180 lumens via AA battery included with a TIR lens for a soft balance beam. Tail switch toggles momentary/constant on and 5 by 180 lumen modes. IPX8 waterproof, double helix knurling for grip, and a dual direction clip make it ideal for pockets or hats. At 1.4 ounces, it's a lightweight EDC for night walks or emergencies. Rounding out the list at 20 is the SOG multi-tool belt buckle, a wearable 12-tool arsenal in 5CR15 mauve stainless steel. Pliers, 2-inch knife, grippers, crimpers, wire cutter, screwdrivers, scissors, bottle opener, file, and ruler fit belts up to 1.75 inches or clip to gear. Locking design keeps it secure, and SOG's lifetime commitment ensures durability. Perfect for campers or anyone needing tools on the fly. Wow, what a lineup! Which gadget's stealing your heart for 2025? Drop a comment, hit that like button if you found a new fave, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, see you next time.